Hi, hello all. Today we are going to find out the solution for interesting matchstick puzzle. Here I arrange the numbers with the matches. I just read out the numbers first. 9 into 2 is equal to 78. 8 into 6 is equal to 36. So we all know both multiplication are wrong. So what we are going to do means we have to remove only one matchstick from each line. There are two lines here, so we have to remove any one of the matchstick from each line so that we get the correct multiplication or correct equation. So I just going to set 1 minute time for that. You could arrange the numbers in sticks and you can try with your kids or children's. So the answer is, so from the first line, 9 into 2 is equal to 78. So from this I just remove this stick. So I got 18. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. And from the second line, 8 into 6 is equal to 36. So to make the correct answer, I just remove this stick. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So that's all. Hope you learned how to solve the puzzle. If you are new here, kindly check out all of the videos, and if you found useful, subscribe the Full of Numbers channel. Thank you.